Ano na ba ang ginagawa nila ngayon? Si Susan, balita ko, nag-play ka ng sax?
Yes.
Hanggang ngayon? Kailan mo yung ginawa after that?
Hindi yun. When I was in UP, I was taking up music. Pero on and off eh. So, I got more busy into showbiz.
So, nagta-tap dance ka?
May ballet pa eh.
Nag-ballet ka pa?
Well, sa States kasi nag-aral ako ng tap dance sa ballet. Nandun ako.
Ano pa ang ginagawa mo? Tumutuloy ka sa alam? Dami ka nagagawa. Before ka mag sax on stage, anong feeling mo?
Hindi nervous, grabe. Kasi with playing the saxophone, I still have that yung talagang matinding kaba. Nervyos. Pero sa kanta or sa sayaw,
Sanay na.
Medyo, okay.
Kasi pagka iba nga naman yung ginagawa mo, yun ang nervous talaga.
Si Maritex, parang feeling mo na win ka talaga ng ano.
Mrs. World!
This is hindi siya local competition.
Hindi, actually wala siyang local competition. Kumbaga, yung organizers ng Mutya ng Pilipinas just chose me. It took them a month of convincing before I finally said yes.
Anong feeling mo na win ka?
Nervyos, pero hindi ako nag-expect kasi the whole time kasi ako yung pinakamaliit. Actually, pangalawang pinakamaliit.
Sino pa ba? Si Brian, anong ginagawa mo ngayon, Brian?
After that, I went back with the band. Tas, yung band kasi we go abroad eh. And then, last year and this year lang, nag-solo ko. I came from Japan. Singing, stint.
Si Ana.
I have my pet shop.
Ay, pet shop.
Yeah, I have here near Kuya Jerm's house, here in Granada and in Malate.
So, pet shop. Well, ano ba ang ginagawa mo ngayon?
Ako ngayon, baka
Para kapita-pitagan ka today.
Hindi, busy ako sa Net25 ngayon dahil may sisimula kaming bagong series ng drama series na ako magdidirect.
Wow,
Wow, director ka na.
Pasali naman.
Pasali ng...
Oo. Si Shaki. Wow, Shaki. Nag-a-arrange ka na ng mga jingle ng commercial. Pasample naman, oh. Ano na nagawa mo? Marami na.
Commercials?
Oo.
Well, I've done Barrio Fiesta and a few SM jingles which are still pending. So,
So, wain mo na.
wag muna. So, yun na.
But, sample. Ikaw mismo kumakanta ba nun?
Sometimes we get voice talent to do that. Depende kasi sa mood ng commercial eh.
Noon pa ba nagko-compose ka na talaga?
Yes, I used to arrange for That's Entertainment, mga production numbers.
Oh, musically inclined
Na ikaw nag-aareglo.
I wrote a song. It's supposed to be released a few months from now. Ang title niya is Healing. Bale, it's,
Ikaw ang kumanta?
yes. No, actually hindi ako kakanta, pero ako nagsulat, tsaka nag-arrange.
Sino kakanta?
It's a band. It's a second album of Retrospect.
Retrospect.
okay.
Oo.
So, it's supposed to be it's supposed to be acoustic. So, anyways,
Sige,
just
kanta
sing
yun.
you part of the song na lang.
Okay.